What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Well, today, man, I'm gonna do a little vlog on Project NVAKAN. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of what my son's already done. First of all, I'd like to say happy 4th of July. Happy, huh? Happy Independence Day. It's actually 4th of July today, but I know this won't be uploaded on 4th of July, so hope you had a great 4th of July. I hope y'all stayed safe and didn't drink too much, but you know, sometimes you do a little bit. So anyway, back to Project NVAKAN, man. So let me show you the hood that he got done for it. He ended up ordering this fiberglass pin hood, so it's got pins in it. And how big is the scoop? 4-inch hood scoop on it. And so he had a guy install that on there along with the roll cage, which he's got it locked right now, but I'll show you all that in a minute. He put a roll cage, and then subframe connectors also he got installed on there. So today what we're doing is we're trying to install these race seats that he ended up getting. He ended up buying a new little welder, so we're going to try to weld the shit together and see how it comes out, man. So that's what we're doing today. He bought him a little Lincoln Electric 125 weld pack, and we're going to use that, try to weld the brackets in and put the seats in today. So I'm going to bring y'all along with us. Hopefully we don't mess it up, and hopefully we don't blow nothing up. Let's get it. Now he's got the door unlocked. Let me show you the roll cage. So this is the roll cage he had installed, and the seat, or the harness, seatbelt harness will attach to here. Ain't it? It's going to attach to this bar? Yeah. It'll attach to here and then go through his seat. This is subframe connectors. We've got a leak in here, so we got to try to, that's coming out of the trunk. It's got some holes back there in the trunk we got to try to weld up too. So let me help him real quick. Oh, he got it. He got it. He got it. Look at that fiberglass hood action, boys. And then we got the big old straight 6 in there. Still working on that part. But all right, let's see if we can get this going. All right, first we're gonna grind these holes here. Grind a little bit around it so we can plug these holes up. Alright, kinfolk, so you got these holes plugged up. Now you're going to shoot them with a little paint, and then we'll get started with the rest of it. Alright, kinfolk, man, we got this joker welded in. Let's look. I mean, it's not welded, it's just tacked in. And he's over here, Bubba's over here banging gears. Bang him. Bang him. Alright, so we got it tacked in. Chair's tacked in. You're going to weld it. We're gonna finish welding it out, and then we'll move to the next one, man. All right, kinfolk. Well, he got the seat in. Let's check it out. Not too bad for a beginner. He put it in there. Not too bad, man. It looks pretty good. So we're gonna do the other seat later because it's already getting late. So he'll do that next time, and then we'll continue on with Project NVAKAN, man. So whenever we do something else, I'll make sure to bring it to y'all, and we'll go from there. All right, kinfolk, so now we're back. Wednesday is when we were working on the seat, on the driver's seat, and 4th of July. Well, now, I know I said earlier in the video that we were going to put in the passenger seat, but first what we're going to do is we're going to end up cutting out the floor because, let me show them real quick. They got rust in there and in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut that section out, and we're actually going to put some metal, weld another piece of metal in there. So we went and got some of this. This shit down here is just, that stuff down there is just to practice on. But we got that metal, and then we ended up cutting out this metal here. for just if we needed to. That came off of a door, and just the skin of the door, so we cut that off. But Bubba's gonna be cutting that out, and then we're gonna weld a new piece in, and I'll show y'all whenever we get done with that. All right, kinfolk, we've got the floor cut out, and that's all the rust. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it out. Made a template, cut it out of there, and then we'll weld it back in. So let's do that. So now what Babushka is doing is he is grinding the patch that we cut out, or that he cut out. He's grinding it so to have smooth edges, and then we'll weld it in. All right, kinfolk, he cut that piece out already, smoothed it down. Now he's in here tacking it in. All right, kinfolk, we got it welded in, man. Let's take a look. Still gotta clean it up, vacuum it all out, but it's getting late. We're done. We're gonna wait till next time. So that's grounded it down some, but that's the welded part in. So that's it. We're done. We're putting the hood back on, and we're finished, man, for right now. So we'll put the other seat in next time. So until then, kinfolk, I appreciate y'all watching, man. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out.